How to use Walmart Protection Plan. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use Walmart Protection Plan. So to use the Walmart Protection Plan, which are powered by Allstate, you primarily need to file a claim online or by phone. You could just register your plan is not mandatory, but your receipt is required to file a claim. So what you want to do is open your Walmart application, or you could just go to Walmart Protection Plan website. So type in Walmart protection website. So here, once you do this, you could go to the link that is Walmart Protection Plan website. Click that out, then click on File a Claim, and have your receipt and covered items with you to provide details about the problem. Next, you just want to follow the prompt. Many claims are approved instantly. In other cases, a specialist will guide you through the next step. Alternatively, you can also call on a toll-free number. Here, they will be provided to you. And that's how you could use Walmart Protection Plan on your device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.